First, I'm going to go to Adobe Mixamo. I will select a character and then select an animation. I will then download the animated 3D model. FBX binary is good. I'm going to leave everything else as is, then save. I'm going to open After Effects, and in the project window, I'm going to drag the FBX file that I just downloaded and a background image. I will drag the FBX file into the Create Composition icon and then choose Advanced. I'm going to leave everything else as is, and then I'll click OK. I'm also going to drag my background image into the composition. To activate the animation, I'm going to go to the FBX track, and in the rollout, I am going to choose Animated Options and then choose the animation from Mixamo. I'm just going to trim my work area accordingly to fit the 5-second animation. It's looking very much like a 2D scene at the moment. That's because I have yet to create shadows for the 3D model. To do that, the first thing I have to do is create a solid. I'm going to select white. And then I'm going to click the 3D option by ticking the 3D box. I'm going to press R, then select the X-axis to rotate the solid. Then I will visually adjust its position as a ground plane. I will use this plane to catch the shadow that I'm going to create. Now I'm going to create a light. I'm going to choose Environment Light. I'll make sure that the Cast Shadows is activated. I'll keep everything as is, then click OK. In the compositing options of the 3D model, I'm going to make sure that all shadow controls are activated. I am going to use a HDRI map that I downloaded from polyhaven.com as a light source. I'm just going to drag it into the composition and move it down. In the Environment Light rollout, I'm going to go to Light Options, then Source, then change the source from Default to the HDRI map. Finally, I'm going to make the white solid invisible. In the White Solid rollout, I'm going to choose Material Options, and in the Accept Shadows, I'm going to set it to Only. And there you have it. That is how you import an FBX with animation into After Effects. In the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to import animated FBX or GLB files into a video.